Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today we will be proving the formula of Heron. Okay, so what does the formula says? It says if ABC is a triangle and the side of this triangle are A, B and C, then the area of this triangle would be S root over of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S equals to half into summation of all of this side, means A plus B plus C. So we will be proving it. Let's start the process. Suppose we are drawing a perpendicular from the point A to BC. So it will be like this one. Okay. So we are naming it as H and we are naming this point as D. Okay. Now let us assume the length of this BD is actually X. So what will the length of this DC? It would be B minus X. So B minus X. Now see, if we look into this figure, we are actually having two uh, right angle triangle. One is ADC and one is ADB. H is the common side of both of this triangle, right? So we can actually write as H square equals to C square minus B minus X whole square. See, this is the height, this is the base. So by Pythagoras theorem, H square plus B minus X whole square equals to C square. So if we change the side, then H square would be C square minus B minus X whole square. For this triangle, it would be H square equals to A square minus X square, X square. Okay. Now if we relate these two equation, what we will be getting? C square minus B minus X whole square equals to A square minus X square, right? Let's take this A square into left side and let's take B minus X whole square to the right side. So C square minus A square equals to B minus X whole square minus X square. Again, C square minus A square equals to B minus X plus X plus into B minus X minus X. This is the normal formula, common formula. I mean the basic formula, all of us should know this one, that is if A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B, right? So we are actually applying the same logic here also. A square minus B square, that is A plus B into A minus B. So C square minus A square equals to this X and this X cancels out and B minus 2X, right? Now C square minus A square by B equals to B minus 2X, right? Next, see, if this 2x, b minus 2x, so we can write b minus 2x equals to c square minus a square by b, right? So 2x would be 2x equals to b minus c square minus a square by b, right? So x will be equals to b square minus c square minus a square by 2b, right? So we have got the value of x is this one, right? So we can actually put this value of x into this equation. So h square equals to a square minus x square, right? H square equals to a square minus x square. So we can write a square minus x square mean what will be happen here? B square minus c square minus a square whole square by 4b square, right? So we can write 4a square into b square minus b square minus c square minus a square whole square by 4b square, right? Again, so it is nothing actually but 2ab whole square, right? 2ab whole square minus b square minus c square minus a square whole square, right? Sorry, this whole square would not be here actually, right? So what we can write, so it is nothing but the formula of a square minus b square, that is 2ab plus b square minus c square minus a square into 2ab minus b square plus c square minus a square, right? By 4b square. Again, so see the 2ab plus b square, okay? So 2ab plus b square minus c square plus a square, right? And this one would be 2ab minus b square plus c square minus a square whole divided by 4b square. Now see, these three terms 2ab plus b square plus a square, what does it mean? A plus b whole square, right? So we can write a plus b whole square minus c square, and here we can write c, these three terms. So c square, if we take minus common, then a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So it will be meaning a minus b whole square. So we can directly write here a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, right? By 4b square. So ultimately what we will be getting, a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. For this one, a square minus b square means a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c, and for this one it would be c plus a minus b into c minus a plus b. By 4b square. Now see, we have assumed initially that s equals to half into a plus b plus c, right? Then 2s equals to a plus b plus c. So we can actually put wherever a plus b plus c, we can put 2s. So we are actually putting 2s. C, a plus b plus c means 2s. C, here it is a plus b minus c. So we can actually write in this way, a plus b plus c minus 2c. So it means 2s minus 2c. So 2s minus 2c. Similarly, a plus c. So c plus a plus b minus 2b. Okay. So this would be 2s minus 2b. And similarly, it would be c minus a plus b means c minus c plus a plus b minus 2a. So it will be 2s minus 2a by 4b square, right? So it would be become actually, see, if we take 2 common from each of these element, what we will be getting, 2 into 2 into 2 means 8 into 2 16s, right? 16s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, right, by 4b square. Okay, now see, all of these means actually h square, right? So we can actually write in that way also, h square into b square equals to 4s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. See, initially what we have written the formula, the formula for the triangle is actually half into h into b, right? So if we actually put, if we root over on both of the side, what will be the outcome? H into b equals to 2 into root over of s into s minus a to s minus b into s minus c, right? So if we take 2 in the left side of the equation, that is half into b into h, that is root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So half into b into h is actually our area of the triangle, right? So triangle ABC is root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So this is the ultimate formula.